let me show you how we can transfer files between the system clone and the main system on OnePlus 15. So we're gonna go to settings on our phone in the system clone. So right now I'm in the system clone, and in here we're gonna go to security and privacy. After that, if you scroll down, you can find the system cloner here, and then we have these options. You can find the import data and the export data option. So if you want to import data, then of course we can enter the screenlock password of the main system, and then over here you can, let's say, go to images, and you can find all the files that you have on the main system, and then you can transfer them to your cloned version. And then if you want to transfer something from the system clone to the main system, then of course you want to choose the export option, the export data, enter the password of the system clone, and then the rest is pretty much the same. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.